Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passions. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive suit fabric collections, pure handloom one only for you. So let me display very beautiful one, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, pure handloom one. This one, base part is cotton fabric, pure cotton fabric, handloom one with beautiful hand batik printed. This one is top portions and bottom portions also contrast color bottom with beautiful hand batik printed one. Very smart looks, based for your office wear, very trendy one. And this one dupatta, fully cotton fabric and contrast color dye with fully hand batik printed one, and very soft, comfortable and pure handloom one, cotton fabric suit, cotton suit fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one. Beautiful color combinations also, top part dupatta and bottom part, very beautiful one. So next one is very beautiful one. So pure handloom one, soft cotton fabric, pure cotton fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one and very beautiful elegant color combinations. This portion is top portions, beautiful hand batik print, and bottom portions is contrast color with beautiful hand batik print, and full set is cotton fabric, pure handloom cotton with hand batik printed one, and dupatta also contrast color dye pattern dupatta with beautiful hand batik printed one. Very soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously, and the suit fabric is top part, bottom part and dupatta. Very elegant, smart looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. So next, same material, very beautiful one and very elegant color combinations, pure handloom one, cotton fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one, very nice one, smart color combinations, and dupatta also contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik, fully hand batik printed one, and contrast color bottom part also with beautiful hand batik print. Very soft, comfortable, smart looks, and mustard yellow, combined mustard yellow with a bluish shade combined looks, very nice one, and fully hand batik print, very trendy looks, based for your office wear and definitely summer friendly, very trendy, smart, bright looks. So next, same material, beautiful color combinations, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one, and very beautiful color combinations, grayish black shade, contrast orange dupatta, and bottom part very nice one, fully contrast color bottom with beautiful hand batik print, very nice one, fully batik printed one, bottom part also. And this one is dupatta portion, is very beautiful one, contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik printed, and top part is fully hand batik printed one. Very smart look, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, based for your office wear, very elegant looks. And next one, very beautiful one. Same material, same pattern, different color, very beautiful, smart color combinations, pure handloom one, cotton fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one. Top part is sky blue shade with contrast grayish dupatta, and bottom part very nice one. The bottom part is beautiful contrast color with beautiful hand batik print, very nice one, trendy, smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very nice one. And this one, dupatta, very contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik printed dupatta, fully batik printed one, and soft, comfortable, summer friendly, obviously very nice one, nice color combinations. So next, very beautiful bright one, pure handloom one, cotton fabric, top part, and stripes pattern, self weaving stripes pattern, gicha stripes design, full base, and yellow shade, bright yellow shade, pure handloom cotton fabric, gicha weaving stripes, fully weaving stripes, very nice one. And bottom part also very elegant one, bottom part also cotton fabric, summer friendly with texture weaving design, not plain, texture weaving bottom part. And this one is beautiful combinations, and dupatta also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful printed dupatta, very nice one, smart elegant looks, and pure handloom one, pure handloom cotton fabric weaving, gicha weaving stripes, very nice one, nice combinations, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. So next one, In a very beautiful one, pure handloom one, soft cotton silk material with beautiful Madhubani printed one, very nice one, very soft, summer friendly. Also pure handloom one, beautiful Madhubani printed one, contrast color bottom part also printed Madhubani printed, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very trendy one, fully Madhubani printed one. And this one, dupatta, very beautiful one, contrast color with different printed base part and bottom portions, beautiful Madhubani printed one. And this one portion is border portions is beautiful weaving temple pattern, weaving design, very smart, elegant, bright looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very trendy one. So next one, very beautiful, elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane top portions with beautiful digital printed one, very premium quality and fine lane by lane material top portions with beautiful fully digital printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. And the bottom portions is contrast color bottom, silk material, pure silk material, premium quality, soft one, summer friendly obviously. And this one, pure lane by lane dupatta, golden zari border, and full dupatta is beautiful weaving, golden zari weaving, polka design, very smart, elegant looks. So full suit fabric, beautiful one. Top part is pure lane by lane with digital printed one, and dupatta also pure lane by lane, golden zari with weaving, polka design, and bottom part silk material, pure silk material, soft one, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. So next, very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful Madhubani printed one, very smart looks, elegant one, obviously fully Madhubani printed one, top portions fully work Madhubani printed one. And this one, dupatta also very beautiful one, contrast color printed dupatta, fully Madhubani printed one. And this one, bottom portions beautiful one, Madhubani printed stripes pattern, Madhubani printed bottom part. And this one is full base, pure handloom cotton fabric, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, very elegant, smart looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. So next one, and I'll say a very beautiful one, pure handloom, premium quality, lane by lane top part with beautiful digital printed one, fully digital print and premium quality lane fabric, lane by lane top part. And this one, dupatta also very beautiful one, fine lane by lane with beautiful contrast with silver zari weaving border, very smart, elegant looks. And bottom part, cotton fabric stripes pattern, you can make pants, palazzo, and cotton, fully cotton fabric, summer friendly with stripes pattern, very smart, elegant looks. Top part dupatta lane, top part and dupatta is pure lane by lane, and top part is digital printed one, and bottom part is cotton fabric stripes one, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. And today I have draped a beautiful kurti, very nice one, fully summer friendly handloom cotton fabric, ikat, cotton ikat with beautiful design work and beads design, very nice one, smart looks with palazzo with katha stitch work, cotton fabric palazzo, very trendy, smart looks and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. You will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.